In this part of the test, you will read aloud the text on the screen. You will have 45 seconds to prepare. Then you will have 45 seconds to read the text aloud.
Begin preparing now. Begin reading aloud now. Begin preparing now. Begin reading aloud now.
In this part of the test, you will describe the picture on your screen in as much detail as you can. You will have 45 seconds to prepare your response. Then you will have 45 seconds to speak about the picture.
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
In this part of the test, you will answer 3 questions. You will have 3 seconds to prepare after you hear each question. You will have 15 seconds to respond to questions 4 and 5, and 30 seconds to respond to question 6.
Imagine that a real estate agency is doing research in your area. You have agreed to participate in a telephone interview about apartments. Do you find it easy or difficult to find which apartment to move to in your area? Why?
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
When deciding which apartment to rent, do you think the location of the apartment is an important factor to you? Why?
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
Do you prefer to move into an already furnished apartment or move into an empty apartment? Why?
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
In this part of the test, you will answer 3 questions based on the information provided. You will have 45 seconds to read the information before the question begin. You will have 3 seconds to prepare after you hear each question. You will have 15 seconds to respond to questions 7 and 8, and 30 seconds to respond to question 9.
Begin preparing now.
Hi, this is John calling from the HR department. I interview job candidates 1 day a week, and I usually get the schedule a couple of days beforehand. However, I've lost my copy of the schedule for this week. Can you answer a few questions for me? On what date are the interviews being held? What time does the first interview begin?
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
We have an interview for the bookkeeper position this time, right?
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
I heard that we have several candidates from Cohen and Company. Can you tell me all about them in detail?
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
In this part of the test, you will be presented with a problem and asked to propose a solution. You will have 45 seconds to prepare. Then you will have 60 seconds to speak. In your response, be sure to show that you recognize the problem and propose a way of dealing with the problem.
Before ending the store staff meeting, I would like to discuss one issue we have at the store. As you know, we've been selling printers along with other electronic devices. People usually buy printers with ink cartridges. However, we've been selling our own brands of ink cartridges since last month, and the sales figures are quite disappointing. I thought our own brand of ink cartridges would sell quite well, but I think people prefer the known brand cartridges over our store brand. To sell more ink, I think we should try to convince our customers that our store brand is high quality. Then customers might be convinced to buy our store brand. So how do you think we can get our customers to buy the store ink cartridges at the store? When each of you goes back to your desk, please call me back on how we can convince our customers to buy new store brand ink cartridges.
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
In this part of the test, you will give your opinion about a specific topic. Be sure to say as much as you can in the time allowed. You will have 30 seconds to prepare. Then you will have 60 seconds to speak.
Which do you think is more important in becoming a successful artist? Luck or talent? Why? Support your opinion with specific ideas and examples.
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.